Hello guys, good evening since it is already 6 o'clock p.m. So today's ganap guys, I am going to vlog the parcel that came to me last Thursday yata or Friday I think. So ngayon ko siya guys i-unbox and I am also excited to unbox it guys, para madagdagan naman yung ating racket. Ayan. Because I am going to use it in my tournament and in our sweat day during Tuesday and Thursday. So samahan nyo ko guys sa pag-open ng parcel para makita nyo rin kung ano yung laman and then what's the brand of it. So without further ado guys, come on. So here it is guys. Ayan, at bubuksan na natin siya. And matagal-tagal ako na hindi nakapag-vlog. So ngayon ulit ako nakapag-vlog guys. Kasi my schedules are busy, hectic, workplace, school, and then family. Ayan, so kaya hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. At of course, this is the time na makapag-vlog ulit ako. Ayan, so open na natin siya guys because I am excited to see the physical appearance of my racket. Ayan. So buksan natin siya guys using scissor. Be careful on using scissor when you are also opening your parcels or your package. Ayan, so bubuksan natin siya guys. Ayan. So maganda yung packaging niya. Naka-bubble wrap para hindi masira yung item. Ayan. Buksan na natin. O diba? Okay, wait lang guys. Medyo matibay yung scotch tape. So need to cut by the scissor. Ayan guys, so naka-bubble wrap siya. Ayan. So yung brand ko guys na pinili is Victor. Ayan. So for your information guys, matagal ko nang gustong magkaroon ng racket na ang brand is Victor. Ayan. Kasi meron na ako ditong collection. I have already Alp. I have already the Yonex. Correct me if I'm wrong in the pronunciation. Basta Yonex. Ayun. At ito ang last ko guys is Victor. Ayan. I have 2 Alp. I have 1 Yonex. At saka ito yung Victor. So, hinanap ko talaga yung brand na to. Cause, I feel na parang maganda siya gamitin and comfy. Ayan, comfy siya kung ito yung gagamitin ko. Kasi nakita ko yung binili ko na shuttlecock in my previous place. Napakatibay ng shuttlecock and yung brand ng shuttlecock is Victor. Ayan, so I was also wondering why would I also try the racket which is brand niya is Victor. Ayan. So tingnan ko din yung reviews. A lot of customers or clients are commenting there that the product is in quality or in great quality. Ayan. So ayan guys, at Victor, here it comes. Ayan. So, open na natin guys yung inside niya at saka meron siyang free bag. Ayan, and may pangalan. So, open na natin guys yung bag. Ayan. So, tingnan natin yung physical look ng ating racket. Ayan, o diba guys, andito na siya o. Noon, patingin-tingin na ako sa cellphone ng racket na to. Ngayon, it's on my hand na. Ayan. So, ito siya guys. May pangalan yung racket na Victor. O, diba? Ayan. So, cut natin. I don't know if may free siya na grip. Well, I'm going to look here guys kung may free siya na grip. Parang wala naman siyang free na grip, only bag. But I am going to look here sa kanyang bubble wrap. Parang wala rin. What about here in other supot? Ayan, parang wala siyang free na grip. No free grip. Ayan, walang free grip guys. Ano lang, bag. Ayan. So, open na natin muna to. Diba guys? Alright. Ayan. So, Victor. Ayan. Okay guys, ito yung niya guys. Ito na yung kanyang physical na anyo. Ayan. O, diba guys? The color is white with red. Ayan. And yung kanyang LBS or tension is 30. Ayan, 30 na to siya guys. So, if halimbawa, if naputol yung string, I can change it to 29 or 28 na tension. Ayan. And then, ito yung, siguro na, nakabit na yung, grip. Ayan. So, I'm going to remove the plastic. Kunin natin yung plastic. Ayan. Ayan. So, actually, wala namang problema sa grip. Kasi meron naman ako ditong grip. Parang 3 yata yung grip ko dito. Ayan. So, I can change the grip anytime kahit wala siyang free. O, diba guys? Napakagaan din niya. O, diba? It is also tight. Tight yung kanyang string. At saka yung hawakan niya is not sweaty. And then, magaan. Very light yung material. Yan. Makakapag-smash ka ng malakas dito guys sa racket na to kasi napakagaan. Yan. Medyo mabigat yung ulo pero okay din. Ayan. Wow, 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 wow. O diba? Alright. So napakagaan. So gagamitin ko naman ito guys sa Tuesday and Thursday sa aming scheduled time of playing badminton in the gym. Ayan. Alright, so that's all guys. Ito siya guys. Oh, wow. May may letter V. Ayan. So V stands for Victor. Yung isa ko na racket na color yellow, yung parang may dot dito, may dot din dito. Yonex yun eh. Magaan din yun siya. So you can also watch my my video when I unboxing that particular thing dito sa aking YT channel. Ayan. Color white naman guys. Okay, so meron na akong parang gold with black, then green, and then yellow, and then ito white. Ayan, o diba? Napaka niya guys, napaka gaan. Alright, o diba guys? Approve. Yeah. Color naman tayo ito guys. Alright, so that's all guys for the vlog. And this is my racket that I am going to use on Tuesday and Thursday for our gameplay of playing badminton. Bye guys, and see you on my next vlogs. God bless. Love you all.